Hello, Soul Stories. Please welcome to Art Avenue.
Hi, Shweta.
Hi.
Your lovely store. It's so, bright and beautiful.
Thank you. Thank
Would you mind showing me some of your interesting pieces,
Definitely.
please?
Why not? For you to definitely. See, we have some curated coffee mugs where you will feel your coffee and tea, with interest.
Oh, wow.
In fact, this is an evil eye.
Amazing. So nice.
नजर नहीं लगेगी चाय पीते हुए.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Then we have some platters also where someone is going to give this to a newly wedded couple. This is having a Taj Mahal and a Gatestone curated, tea coasters having a live, love, laugh message on it. So this is a platter going to a Punjabi family.
Okay.
So this is how we customize each and everything at store.
Oh, amazing.
See something nice, pearl, Ganpati. These are our customized thing where these are very precious and you'll not get it anywhere.
Of course, yes. Right.
Our store focus on innovation and new, stuffs, where you will love to give someone and they have, your impression inside them.
Right.
That's how.
Amazing.
We have some candles here.
Okay.
See?
This is a candle.
A wooden vase. We have used a wooden vase and a fragrance candle. These all.
Wow. So this you always have at your store or
See,
ऐसा customize करते हैं लोग बोलते हैं फिर accordingly आप बनाते हैं how is it?
the store's, most important thing we follow is unique and new ideas.
Okay.
So whatever you see at store, every time it will be new.
Oh.
You'll never not get bored over here. Every time you visit, you will see something, a new stuff. That's how we work.
Amazing. Superb.
So here are all the stuffs which you are able to see here displayed at store. Here we have something special for corporates. These are all, leather stuff. Having a combined thing of, all accessories for male, females. So for corporate, it's the best gifts what we have, curated for Art Avenue.
Amazing.
You will not get anywhere.
Of course, that's what I'm saying. Amazing.
All,
especially when it comes to gifting boys, men, I would say, दिमाग नहीं चलता है.
Something which is a very difficult thing to have, give for a male candidate, person to give.
True. Very nice.
That's how we, have something, a very unique store in Pune since 15 years.
15 years. Oh my God. Okay.
So long time.
So, Shweta, would you mind sharing this 15 years journey with me?
Yes, of course. Why not? Let's have one more thing I want to add on my collection.
Yeah.
These we have, something Osha perfume manufactured in India. But one special thing, these products are only at Taj Palace in Delhi.
Oh, wow.
Second store is our Art Avenue.
Amazing.
So that's how, we have curated these ones for our store. These perfumes are highly in demand at store. Every client come again and again for these perfumes.
Wow.
Yeah.
This is really awesome.
So that's how the interesting journey. I'll tell you more about it.
Yeah.
When we talk.
Let's
have a coffee.
Yeah, sure.
Yes.
Why not?
Hi.
Hey, Shweta.
Let's start our conversation,
Yeah, sure.
which we have left at store.
Yeah.
Have your coffee. Let's
Yeah.
start our coffee and conversation together.
Sure. But before that, like, the last thing you mentioned was like 15 years.
Yes.
Yeah, 15 years.
Quite a long time.
Yeah. So, मुझे बताओ यार ये 15 years की जर्नी कैसी थी? I mean, was it is never a cakewalk, 100%.
100%.
Because आपके इतने competitors हैं. Gift shop is not a very easy thing जितना वो दिखता है, right?
Right.
प्लस आज के टाइम पे इट इज ऑलवेज कस्टमाइजेशन. किसी को सिंपल चीजें नहीं चाहिए, कस्टमाइज करो, ये करो, राइट?
Yeah.
सो हाउ डज इट वर्क?
See, अगर हमारी जगह कोई और होता तो इनफैक्ट डर के स्टोरी क्लोज कर देता. But yes, I mean, to be in a serious note, we have never, I mean, yes, it is a concern that competitors are there, but we are into so much innovation in gifting. So many, I mean, new stuff we introduce every time. I mean, every week you can say.
Oh wow.
Every days are learning. And we, I mean, add those learning in our gifting. So this is the main idea of not getting scared of others or, I mean, competitors. So this is how we work. And this is how we love to share our ideas or, I mean, take from customers' ideas, new stuff. And, I mean, implement in our gifting
Amazing.
things. So this is how we work in Art Avenue.
राइट. बट कभी ऐसा होता है क्या कि when there are big brands, challenging brands
Yes.
coming up with very new ideas, you not being a very large scale thing, like like the big
100%.
brands who have a better scope to spread and do, so वो एक challenge की तरह आता है क्या आपके लिए कि मैं कैसे करूं, because they are also coming up with something same.
Correct.
So कैसे आप उसको कैसे tackle करते हो?
See, we feel that and we are very competitive in the market. We see the pricing. We see the uniqueness. First and foremost thing is uniqueness.
Okay.
No one can compare us.
Oh wow.
The only thing I can say, no one can compare us. Our gifting, even if a hamper is created, we understand customers' need, whom they are gifting, what the person likeness is, and then after that, I mean, understanding their means requirement, then we create a hamper. And we are professionals. We have, I mean, learned many things in a professional basis. Not just that, I mean, we pick stuff and do the hamper thing. Colors, likeness, I mean, the person's choice of, I mean, what they like. Then after that, I mean, even a flower added to the hamper is very selective. It's being curated. So that's how, I mean, we choose things from, I mean, we are not a random buyer for our store.
True.
It's like a curated store. So
Amazing.
we don't have to, I mean, worry about how to run this business. It's like, I mean, in our nature. Me and my partners, I have 2 partners.
Okay.
They are also supporting me.
Amazing.
So, I mean, whenever I get stuck, they are there to help me.
Oh, wow.
Always.
That's really
So
nice.
Art Avenue is our legacy store. It's not our other brands, other theme. I mean, brand we have
Right.
spas also. So I mean, that is there for the chain-based business or a larger scale business. But this is our love. Art Avenue is our love and a legacy store. I was a banker earlier, investment.
Don't tell me.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I worked with the leading brands in banking, with a private banking division. And then maybe, I mean, it was there in my blood that I have to start a business. So I started with a very small scale, doing from a exhibition.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay.
So that's how things have come inculcated in my mind. And my husband supported that time. And things have grown up. Then Hiren has also joined us.
Okay.
He's also very, I mean, creative mind. So everything all together, we team has done perfectly well in this gifting area.
Okay.
So
That's
good
really
experience.
nice. Yeah.
There are many ups and downs, of course. But yes, we are very confident about this business.
Okay.
Whatever come may, what this brand will definitely be into a top
Amazing. Yeah, that it will
Yes.
definitely be, because I
We
just
definitely-
had a visit of the store. It's amazing. It's beautiful.
So it's like no comparison of our brand. Art Avenue is Art Avenue.
Right.
And it's a loved brand by customers also. So
Definitely. So how do you do? Are you only shipping in Pune, or are you doing
all across country.
Okay.
Because see, earlier it was like, firstly, we are situated in Pimple Saudagar, Pune. So our most of the clientele were like IT based people.
Okay.
I mean, who are not married. So they always, try to impress the
Right.
special ones in their life.
Amazing, yes.
So they were my clientele earlier. So, things have grown up like this. Now, all age group are my clientele now. So whatever they come up, like this I want in my, gifting baskets. So, we customize it, we innovate it for them. Especially, for each customer, you will have a different gift basket altogether.
Okay.
So that's how we work.
Amazing. So this is about Art Avenue. But if I want to know about you, who Shweta is, from where is she, and how her journey started, could you just tell us
I'm
about?
from Jharkhand.
Oh wow! No
The
matter, we
city.
connect so much. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's Steel City. Jamshedpur is my birthplace.
Okay.
And my journey started from there only. And then a very small place which is called Chakradarpur from Jharkhand. My dad was a railway contractor there.
Okay.
And still he is.
Okay.
He's 75 and still working.
Wow. Wow. That's
It's his
amazing.
hobby, yeah. I will not say that my brothers are also there, but he is like very passionate about his work.
Okay.
So he's my role model also. That a very bold personality. So that's everything has come inside me.
Oh.
So I started these things. I did my engineering from Raipur, Chhattisgarh,
Okay.
and then did my MBA in Pune.
Okay.
Yes.
So Jharkhand se Pune tak.
Pune tak.
Okay.
The series is, from Jharkhand to Pune.
Ah.
A long journey. I am here in Pune from 25 years now.
25 years. Okay. Okay.
My loved place. I would not go from here. Till I'm alive. It's my, favorite place, you can say.
Amazing.
This place has given me a lot of things.
Wow. But Shweta, how was it? You are not from Maharashtra, right? You are coming from a different city. And then coming here for studies and
Yeah.
then starting your business. I mean, how? I mean,
See, engineering was my father wanted me to be a doctor or an engineer.
it's like karna hai,
Yes.
kar lo.
That was when a Three Idiots. You remember?
Yes, of course.
So I did follow the Three Idiots, theme.
Okay.
I did engineering, then MBA, then
Okay.
then into banking.
My God.
That was a complete combo of Three Idiots.
Yeah.
But again, I thought of what I'm doing here, yeah. Why I'm working. Being from a business family, having father who has done tremendous in business. And why I should, not start a business. Struggled a lot. Then, have got a good, store in Pune. I've started, retail store showroom named as Art Avenue. And people have loved it. Because of the uniqueness, because of the different products, what we keep. Not as a product, just not a product. It's like our emotions are also attached to that.
Right.
Because see, if you choose a product, you should think that, what others' choice are also, what the brand is going on, everything.
True.
So, dheere, time to time, itna changes, itna innovation. These days, what you're doing, you will not, expect from Art Avenue. We are doing innovative cruises.
Oh, really?
So this, last week only we have launched.
Oh, that's amazing.
So, this
So
is
when
how Art
season
Avenue
we
works.
have someone who can take care of everything,
Yes.
right?
A
Amazing.
dreamy, a classy, a flashy for girls, bright
Oh,
to
wow.
be, groomed to be. These are the things we are doing currently now.
Okay.
Yes, with the
that's,
hampers.
that's super.
Or with the unique products.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Super.
So whatever gifts you choose from Art Avenue, that will not be seen at other place. This is the mantra of Art Avenue, that people cannot compare us seeing at other store अरे श्वेता, ये तो प्रोडक्ट यहाँ मिलता है, नो वन विल कम एंड से यू दिस, आई मीन दैट आई हैव सीन देयर.
ट्रू.
दिस इज द मंत्र ऑफ आर्ट एवेन्यू, दैट ऐसा स्टोर रखो, ऐसा प्रोडक्ट रखो, ऐसा यूनिकनेस रखो कि नो वन कैन टच यू.
Amazing. Yes, 15 years हो गए तो I'm sure no one was able to
बिगेस्ट
touch.
थिंग वाज लाइक कोविड. कोविड में कितने सारे स्टोर्स शट हुए थे,
True.
तो दैट वाज अ कंसर्न अर्लियर. बट उसके बाद हमने अपने जितने भी मैन पावर और आई मीन आवर विल पावर सब एक साथ किया. फिर वी हैव कम अप विद आई मीन आइडिया ऑफ कीपिंग टू आवर एग्जिस्टिंग क्लाइंटेल.
Okay.
न्यू क्लाइंटेल तो हम ला नहीं सकते.
True.
Why not catering a existing clientele? So then we had done, I mean, took the food license, and due to all the, I mean, measures of COVID things, I mean, सबको, I mean, follow करते हुए, we have introduced a cake
Okay.
with Art Avenue.
COVID के टाइप पे.
Yes, cake was
Okay.
a helping hand for us to create other, I mean, products also. I mean, we were giving other gifts also along with the cake. Cake was our, I mean, cherry on the top.
Okay.
So this is how we were working in, I mean, for gifting, for cake, for anything, whatever client required. Because उस समय आपको कौन cater करेगा ये सब चीजों के लिए. उस समय भी तो आप अपने friends, family को खुश रखना चाहोगे. And these are the things you make happy to your family or your loved ones.
Correct.
So this is how COVID में भी हमने बहुत अच्छे से customers को
जनरली जहाँ कोविड में सब बंद हो रहे थे सब
exactly that was the
Jobless.
biggest concern time,
lot of
and lot of mess, lot of chaos, but everything has, I mean, done well. And Art Avenue was a brand where COVID में भी वो stand still रहा और बहुत strongly है. मेरी टीम, मैं और मेरी टीम की वजह से बहुत अच्छे से हम उस टाइम को भी क्रॉस कर लिए. एंड नाउ इट्स आई मीन आई विल वाउच फॉर इट दैट आई मीन बिकॉज ऑफ माय टीम, बिकॉज ऑफ गॉड्स ब्लेसिंग, वी विल नॉट गो बैक एंड सी बैड टाइम्स इन फ्यूचर ऑल्सो.
yes,
इट्स अ
that's
ब्लेसिंग.
what- it will never be.
आर्ट एवेन्यू इज अ ब्लेसिंग, आई वुड से. कस्टमर्स ने बहुत प्यार दिया है मुझे और मेरे टीम को. मेरे मतलब आप मेरे स्टोर पे आप एंटर करेंगे तो हमारे स्टोर में एक्सपीरियंस ही अलग मिलेगा आपको.
True.
They feel so nice that they become continual process हो जाता है ये. First time they visit, second time they call us that श्वेता मेरे को ये चाहिए, सोनाली मुझे ये चाहिए, मेरी I mean employee का name.
Okay, okay.
So she and us like doing everything for customer so comfortably, so I mean ease से सबका gifting हम cater करते हैं. They become our regular and existing client.
हाँ.
So this is how I mean we make customer.
एक्सपीरियंस ही अलग है.
एक्सपीरियंस ही अलग है. आपका
Yes.
ओवर क्लास एक्सपीरियंस बोलते हैं ना, एक छोटी से छोटी चीज में भी हम उनको हेल्प कर देते हैं.
अमेजिंग.
Yes.
सुपर. सो मैंने काफी बार सुना टीम. Could you introduce me to your team, please?
Yes, I'll introduce you Hiren from my team.
Okay.
He also, I mean, helped me sometime in creativity, most of the unique ideas. So, Hiren, please come.
Hi, Hiren.
Hello, hi Sita.
Hi.
I heard a lot about my team. So I was very eagerly waiting for you to come and join us. So please introduce yourself and कुछ तो बताओ यार.
I think introduce already कर दिया होगा, कुछ ज़्यादा कुछ बताना रहा नहीं होगा. फिर भी I mean myself Hiren, I am from Mumbai and I completed my bachelor degrees from Mumbai only. And since like from birth, I mean we can say a business mind was there. So today we are at in our business place Pune. Here my journey start for the businesses.
Okay. But Bombay, झारखंड, पुणे, ये समझ में नहीं आ रहा है मेरे को.
बस वही मैं कोई की कोशिश कर रहे हैं हम लोग.
The one is from छत्तीसगढ़.
तो ये कैसे हुआ?
का कॉम्बिनेशन है झारखंड, छत्तीसगढ़ एंड बॉम्बे.
Yeah, so मतलब कैसे मिले, कैसे, how did it
I mean
start?
Mumbai was the place where we met up.
Okay.
And like since our for products.
It's all started from a friendship.
Yeah.
We three were friends.
Okay.
And somehow these two came up with an idea that of, I mean, let's start
Yeah,
a
that's
business.
something new ventures. So we.
अच्छा, ये वो फ्रेंडशिप वाले आइडियाज होते हैं जो कॉलेज में सबको आते हैं, चल बिजनेस स्टार्ट
हाँ, ये बाद में हुआ after college.
Okay.
But
I mean, today what I would say about this is a startup what we made in 2016. The startup what's going on. Currently the startup what बहुत ज़्यादा चल रहा है. तो वही हमने 2016 में ये startup किया था. So we innovated friendship to business. As a spa, we started a business of spa, and we brand name called as a Auravia Spa.
Okay.
And these blessings all came from here, Art Avenue. She motivated us to, let's start this journey of business.
Because these two are very talented, very talented. I personally know both of them, and I was thinking, why don't they start the business? I'm already there, but why, if I'm not working up into a business, I'm having a, a luxury store, why don't they both, come into business? Why they're working? Being here, into a business, why they're working? They should also start something. Then they have, rocked the business. Now they are into spas. So
Wow.
we have a luxury chain of, family spa.
Oh,
These two are, handling those, spas.
okay.
So that's how.
Someday we'll
Sometime back,
definitely go to the spa and have a look. Yeah, yeah. So, Hiren, how is it? Like, सब बोलते हैं दोस्तों के साथ और स्पेशली two brothers or friends should never get into a business, right? Generally ऐसा कहावत होता है.
Correct.
So now when you are with your friends doing a business, खिटपिट तो चलता ही है, right? But how do you tackle this? Like कोई एक बहुत cool down हो जाता है, कोई एक बोलता है how is it?
कैसा रहता है, लाइक यू स्टार्ट बिजनेस विद फ्रेंड्स, वो ज्यादा कंफर्टेबली आप स्टार्ट कर सकते हो, तो बोलना है बिंदास बोल सकते हो.
Right.
फ्रेंड्स में कैसा था, आज बोले कल भूल गए. वंस यू स्टार्ट बिजनेस और समथिंग इन रिलेशनशिप, तो मन में लेके दिल में लेके चलता रहता है, लॉन्ग स्टोरी होती रहती है, बट वही फ्रेंड्स को कंफर्टेबली मिलता है. बोलना है बोल दिया, रात दिए बात किया, दैट्स इट. एंड सेकंड डे वी आर टॉप ऑन द टेबल ऑन ब्रेकफास्ट, चलो चिल जाओगे.
Wow. Wow.
क्या होता है ना, फ्रेंडशिप जो व्हाट यू हैव सेड इज वेरी ट्रू कि फ्रेंडशिप के बीच में बिजनेस नहीं आना चाहिए.
Right.
बट वी मेंटेन दीज टू थिंग्स सेपरेटली. बिजनेस है, बिजनेस की बातें. फ्रेंडशिप है तो वी पार्टी टुगेदर.
Wow.
So this is how we are maintaining our
balance
business.
maintain
Or
करके.
we are maintaining our friendship. It's like we are friends from 11 years now.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
And business we have started, I think, 10 years back. After 1 year, we have started our business. And I must say that, because of the team, we are successful. So,
Definitely, the team plays a very
because of team, completely a strength of team.
True.
Nothing else.
अकेले कोई कुछ नहीं
अकेले
कर
कोई
सकता
कुछ नहीं कर पाएगा.
Yes, definitely. Team is the biggest role of the success mantra of the
We
business
would-
is the team.
Yes, we would, pass on this message to each and everyone that understanding and a team strength, business definitely grows.
अमेजिंग. सो नाइस टू हियर. मुझे बहुत कम ऐसा सुनने को मिलता है कि फ्रेंड्स के साथ हमने बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया एंड टचवुड इट्स फ्लरिशिंग, लाइक
Yeah.
यू नो. सो इट्स अ वेरी रेयर थिंग दैट इज हर्ड नाउअडेज. पीपल हैव बिकम सो सेल्फ सेंटर्ड, आई वुड से कि अरे आई कैन अलोन डू इट, आई कैन डू इट, बट दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड.
People are egoistic also too much.
Right.
Yes, but this is
Absolutely.
what we
But
all
जहाँ रिलेशन है वहाँ ईगो
वो
साइड में रखना
side में
चाहिए.
ये
वो हम
हमने
करते
किया
हैं.
है.
वो हम हमेशा एक दूसरे के साथ
कोई फॉलो
करते हैं.
करते. Yes.
Really, touch wood that it's a blessing that, we all are friends still.
Wow.
And we will always be because
Definitely.
God's blessing.
Relationship
Nothing else.
कभी टूटेगा नहीं,
ट्रू.
and business भी कभी छूटेगा नहीं.
राइट.
So यहाँ पे
Touch wood.
This is a good phrase.
Touch wood, yes,
Yeah,
absolutely, yes. So,
Because this relation is God's blessing. I always say them, they always say this. That कि क्या होता है ना कि हर रिलेशन में ना कुछ एक वो आता है. बट यहाँ पे हर कोई ने means even his wife also, she also has supported us. Altogether, it's like a very good family friends.
wow.
Yeah, now we are family. Almost.
Yeah.
And hence now we are
Not
family.
say that it's a friendship.
We are more than family.
Wow. It's so nice to hear.
Yes.
So, कैसे आप लोग करते हो? I mean, who is looking after what segment, I would say?
See, अगर मैं बात करूँ तो हम कोर टीम ही है तीनों,
Okay.
जो everything looks for the both the business, both the rooms, I would say. Then like individual जैसे हम अपना जो टास्क और रोल है हम लोग सेपरेट डिवाइडेड होके कर लेते हैं, टीम के सपोर्ट से, बाकी मैनेजमेंट के सपोर्ट से. We like distribute all the work tasks and we like that we go ahead.
Okay.
Or without discussion with each other, we don't go ahead.
Yeah.
This is
This is very
important thing. We don't, bypass anyone and do anything. We are a team, so we follow the team rules.
That's so nice
Yeah.
to hear. Amazing.
एक छोटी सी चीज भी हम डिस्कस कर लेते हैं and we commonly come to the conclusion that we should go ahead with this?
Yeah, Jitna, you most like Jitna, you are communication is good, your transparency is good. And I think there's never any issues with of any kind of issues comes in the any of the ventures, any of the relationship.
Because for any business, pure intention is very, very important thing, which plays a role. in
Pure
your
intention.
business.
Absolutely.
Yes, that's how people trust in you. Because intentions, intentions जो चीज होती है वो सामने reflect करता है.
True.
In any of the thing.
True.
Intention definitely an important thing.
Amazing. It was amazing talking to both of you.
Even we
Same,
love to
yeah,
talk to
lovely.
you.
I mean, I know Shweta personally, I won't lie, but Hiren talking to you was more, more inspirational, I would say.
Correct.
It was lovely having both of you. Thank
so
you
much.
for inviting me over. Thank you so much. And I wish you all very big success, more in coming
Thank
years.
you so much.
And to all of you, please follow Art Avenue and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well.
Thank you.
Soul
Bye-bye.
stories.
Thank you.